You've heard of SEO, Search Engine Optimization, getting your site to rank on Google. That's been the game for 20 years, and it still matters. But the timeline is 6 to 12 months before you see real movement. That's just the reality. Here's what almost nobody is talking about to real business owners. When someone types into ChatGPT, "Who's the best plumber in Denver?" ChatGPT doesn't show them a list of links. It names a business. One business, maybe two. And whoever it names gets that customer. That's not SEO, that's GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, getting cited by AI models, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini. ChatGPT is processing 2.5 billion queries every day. 2.5 billion. And it's sending referral traffic to websites right now. There's also AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, getting your business into Google's AI overviews, featured snippets, and voice search answers. Not just ranked, cited as the answer. Here's why this matters right now. Traditional SEO takes 6 to 12 months. GEO and AEO? We're seeing initial citation results in 2 to 6 weeks. The window to get in early is open. It won't be forever.